Hi everyone, this is Sandy at Bloomers Home and Garden Center, here with an update of what's going on in the garden world. Guess what, folks? It is fungus time. So here at Bloomers Home and Garden Center, you can come on in and talk to one of our nursery professionals, and we can guide you on how to get rid of those nasty black spots, brown spots, rust spots, and things that you're seeing in your garden that you're wondering where it came from. A lot of times when we get a lot of influx of rain, the root system cannot take up all the water and it sits there, and then you start to see the result of some disease. So come on in and we will guide you over here to our RTUs and our concentrates that we do have in an organic form. You can hook something on the end of your hose and spray it onto the plant so that it is absorbed systemically and it works over a longer period of time. So you have organic methods and you have a little bit stronger method here for that. We also offer with our concentrates a hose and sprayer that works very, very well. Keeps it very simple. You just dial it on the ounces per gallon and this will spray calibrated for you. We have another organic here, copper fungicide, that does an array of different diseases. It'll powdery mildew. We have our brown spot, our black spot, and some of them also will do something like in the anthracnose. And if you're not sure what you have, cut off a cutting, come on into Bloomers, bring it in, and let us take a look at it. As you work your way down the shelf, you're going to see the bags down here that are in a granular form. These get applied with a spreader. We have the hand spreaders, and we also have the push spreaders. If you don't have one, we can help you with that too. The most important thing I want you to remember about disease is that prevention is key. So knowing that the heat and humidity and lots of rain are coming, you should start to put these on as a protectant and as a preventative, but they also will work as a curative. And the thing to also remember is that it's not a one and done. It's extremely important that these are reapplied as the label directs. Sometimes they're weekly, sometimes they're bi-weekly, but it's very important to do it through the growing season. So take off a clipping. If you're not sure what's going on, come on down to Bloomers and let us help you out.